Imagine strapping yourself into a custom-fitted space seat, the cabin around you buzzing with palpable excitement as final checks are broadcast over the intercom. Outside, the massive rocket engines rumble, a deep resonating sound that seems to sync with your heartbeat. In a few moments, you'll be breaking through Earth's atmosphere, venturing into the cosmic playground that until recently was reserved for astronauts and elite scientists. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi novel. It's a vacation package offered by Space VIP, one of the pioneering companies propelling, quite literally, tourists into space. As you digest the visceral thrill of such an adventure, consider this: booking your seat on this out-of-the-world journey is as real today as booking a flight to Paris was a century ago. Thanks to visionaries like Roman Chiparuka, co-founder of Space VIP, space tourism is morphing from a pipe dream into a tangible, bucket list experience. But what exactly does booking a voyage beyond our atmosphere entail? And how is this burgeoning industry redefining our relationship with space? Come, let's unravel this cosmic tapestry. Booking a trip to space, surprisingly, begins not unlike any other trip. First, there's the initial consultation, where dreams get their technical wings. Think of it as a travel agency appointment, but instead of discussing train routes through Europe, you're examining flight paths that leave the Earth's atmosphere. Roman Chiparuka and his team at Space VIP guide each client through a maze of medical checks, training schedules, and itinerary options, ensuring that the journey is not only spectacular, but also quintessentially personal. In this image, we see Roman in his element, presenting a potential traveler with options for their spaceflight. Charts, medical forms, and mission patches clutter the table, physical tokens of the intricate process involved. As Roman explains, every client is unique, and so every journey to space must be tailor-made to fit. The next step is the astronaut training, a regime that requires both physical and mental preparation. Here, travelers undergo simulations that mimic the conditions they will face in space. This intense preparation helps acclimatize clients to the unfamiliar sensations of zero gravity and the confined environment of a spacecraft. It's not all rocket science, jokes Chiparuka. Some of it is learning to use a space toilet. But the journey doesn't start at liftoff. Space VIP's comprehensive pre-launch experience includes detailed briefings on the spacecraft's operations and safety protocols. This preparatory phase ensures that passengers aren't just spectators on their space voyage, but active participants. Once training is complete and the launch day arrives, the real adventure begins. Ascending into the cosmos, travelers experience the profound and often emotional detachment from Earth, a phenomenon astronauts term the overview effect. This cognitive shift in awareness is characterized by a newfound appreciation of our planet's fragility and interconnectedness. Captured from a Space VIP craft, this breathtaking view of Earth, with its swirling clouds and vibrant landscapes, encapsulates the transformative visual feast awaiting space tourists. The profound realization that this small blue orb is our only home redefines one's perspective on life and our place in the universe. The itinerary in space is as varied as the passengers. Some may engage in scientific research, helping collect data or conducting experiments that benefit from the unique conditions of space. Others might simply bask in the experience, watching as the sun rises and sets on the Earth every 90 minutes. Each moment up there is about expanding horizons, literally and metaphorically. As the journey culminates and the spacecraft re-enters the Earth's atmosphere, the adventure shifts from celestial to celebratory. In conclusion, a trip with Space VIP is more than just a holiday. It's a pilgrimage to the stars that expands our worldview and brings us face to face with the vast complexities and beauties of our universe. It's an invitation to become one of the few who have not just imagined, but have truly lived amongst the stars.